Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, my dear children. Let me continue the English class. Bruno the puppy. Where is the puppy now? It is in the park, right? Sachin's Bruno is in the park. Did you see the park, children? Tell me. What all things you can see? Slides, seesaw, swing, climber, etc. Right? See how the children are enjoying in the park. And this is a climber. Now where is the Bruno? The Bruno was in the park. So Sachin and his father went to the park and searching for it. See there, I am going to read. Keep the fingers on the book. Sachin and his father couldn't find Bruno anywhere. They didn't find anywhere. So they met a boy. So Sachin is asking to the boy, "Did you see a puppy?" Sachin asked a boy. So boy is telling, "Is it a white puppy with a black spot?" The boy asked. So Sachin is telling, "Yes." "Which way did it go? Where did it go?" Who is asking? Sachin is asking to the boy, "Where did it go? Is that white color puppy with the black dot is my puppy? Where it go?" So some boy is telling, "That way, to the right side it went," pointing to the shop. So he is showing in the hand, right? That is, he is pointing to a shop. To the shop it went. See the picture. This is a balloon man. What he is carrying? He is carrying balloons, different colors of balloons, red balloon, yellow balloon, green balloon, different colors and different shapes of the balloons. Horse balloon, star balloon, monkey balloon, right? See how the Bruno is running back of that balloon. Oh, how beautiful! Bruno looked at the balloon. Bruno looking at the balloon and telling how beautiful it is. The balloons were bouncing up and down, up and down. It is going up and down. The Bruno tried to catch it. Bang! A balloon burst. Bow, bow! Bruno ran away frightened. Bruno was afraid when he tried to catch the balloon burst. That time the Bruno was afraid and ran away. Sachin and his father came to the street. They found a balloon man. So they are asking to the balloon man, "Balloon man, did you see a puppy?" Sachin asked. "Was it your puppy? It burst one of my balloon." He looked quite angry. The balloon man was angry and telling to the Sachin, "He burst my balloon." And "It is your puppy?" he is asking. So, "Sorry uncle, we will pay for it." Sachin is very sad and telling to that uncle, "Sorry, I will pay for it. I will give the money for it. It's all right. I saw your puppy in front of the vegetable shop. It went to the vegetable shop." "Where is the vegetable shop?" Sachin asked. "Go straight, then turn left," said the balloon man. So he's thanking to the balloon man. "Thank you uncle," and went to the vegetable shop. This is a vegetable shop. What do you see in the vegetable shop? You can see different types of fruits, vegetables, right? What all the vegetables? Carrot, tomato, beans, chili, cucumber, all different types of vegetables you can see in the vegetable shop, right? See what all things you can see. See the picture properly. Cabbage you can see, brinjal, bitter gourd, carrot, beans, cucumber. See what the Bruno is doing in the vegetable shop. Bruno ran into the vegetable shop. Hi, a ball! Bruno kicked at a potato. It went under a box. It saw a potato. It is telling it is a ball, and it kicked in the leg. So the potato went under the box. Then he jumped onto a pumpkin. It went up to the pumpkin. It started rolling. Hi, red balls! He climbed on the box of tomato. There is a tomato box. It climbed up and the tomatoes fell down. It fell down. Tomatoes scattered all over the floor. "Hey, naughty dog, get off from here!" Vegetable seller shouted and raised a stick. Bruno ran off. Vegetable seller, what did it? It messed up. Fully, it messed up. See the vegetable shop. Vegetable seller is back on the shop. He saw the puppy and told him, "What a naughty dog it is! Get up from here!" He's scolding to the puppy. The vegetable seller shouted and raised a stick, took one stick and trying to beat it. The Bruno ran off. Bruno was afraid and ran from there. So, all the answers below. What are the mischief done by your pet? Will Sachin and his father find the Bruno? All the answers should be written properly in the text.